story for today is the successful civilian mission of Atenito Coalition in the West Philippine Sea. The group successfully sailed within the country's exclusive economic zone, and they also placed symbolic buoys in delivered food and fuel supplies to Filipino fishermen in Bajo de Masinloc. The main convoy decided to push on to Scarborough Shoal, as their smaller team had broken through China's blockade and was already able to deliver the provisions.
Ang ating advance team ay nakaabot at nalampasan ang massive at illegal na blockade ng China sa Bajo de Masinloc. Kaya ang masasabi natin, mission accomplished, mission success tayo.
Ang tingin ko dyan parang people power at sea ito, no? People power sa dagat ito. The world will look at this, makikita nila na the people themselves are asserting our sovereign rights.
Oo, people power. So, pag nakita mo kasi talaga, di ba yung sinasabi din ni former Senator Bam Aquino, yung mga fishermen natin sabay-sabay, parang Avengers yung dating.
Maliliit na bangka,
Nakakilabot,
and yet
promise.
they brave the seas, the high seas,
Yes.
to support this mission, just to fight for our,
So, congratulations.
for our rights. Congratulations sa coalition na
Sa
yan.
coalition na yan.
At saka huwag matatakot.
Oo.
Have courage.
Although sinasabi ng sa China, 'di ba, yung sa kanilang tabloid newspaper na hindi daw naging successful,
Global
naharangan daw nila, ganyan. Pero tayo ay successful naman dahil yung mission naman 3, 'di ba, sinabi naman yun sa atin ni Rafaela David.
Anyway, with